Gold's dead money. Sell your gold. Buy Bitcoin, because other people are going to sell their gold. And if you wait until you've been front run by all the hedge funds, when they dump their gold, you're going to be the last person out. I think gold's getting demonetized. That is, I mean, like being demagnetized. It's like there's $10 trillion worth of monetary energy in gold right now. Eventually, it'll only be the central banks that'll want to hold it. I mean, every private rational actor is going to move out of it and move into Bitcoin. I was a Bitcoin skeptic. In 2013, I thought it was going to go the way of online gambling, but I didn't really understand it, and I didn't really need it in 2013, and it was a much younger, more immature network. So I think it took me till 2020 for me to need it. And then until you need it, you're not going to put in the effort to understand it. And luckily for me, by the time I needed it and by the time I understood it, it had matured to be a much stronger network. Half of my wealth is going to be cut in half unless I make a good investment. And every investment's getting a lot harder. It's very complicated. That'll shake you out of your comfort zone and kick you into a search for something new. And that's how I discovered Bitcoin. And that's how most people are discovering Bitcoin. They've been forced out of their comfort zone. They need a safe haven asset. So what would that be? Gold? Well, gold was the best idea in the 19th century. In the 21st century, if God came down and he created perfect gold, he would create 21 million gold coins, put it on a network that you could move at the speed of light if you wanted to, and make it impossible for anybody to ever create any more gold. He'd make it impossible for a bank to steal your gold. He'd make it impossible for anybody to lie to you about how much gold they had in the vault. He'd make it perfectly transparent and he'd give it to you. That's what Bitcoin is. It's digital gold designed with all of the attributes we love about gold, none of the liabilities. It's the technically superior asset in the world. It's a long duration safe haven asset. It's not, you can't debase it. It's not a fiat derivative like a bond or a stock. And so if you're looking to the long term, out with 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, then owning Bitcoin is like encrypting your monetary energy in a way that will preserve it without any degradation over the long term.